Hi guys, Joe here, and I wanted to just give you a quick update on the current situation with regards to this class. At the moment, we are remastering all of our old content. This class has been around for several years now. It's gained great success and has built up a large base of students. What we're doing right now is we are updating the class for the latest versions of Blender. This way you'll be able to learn about the current version of Blender and how to use all of the different tools and techniques. That being said, we are not simply going to be deleting the old content. In fact, we're going to be keeping all of the old content for the foreseeable future, especially while we continue to add new videos to this class. At some point in this course, you're going to find a lecture titled as Transition Video. This is going to be the point where we transition from the latest version of Blender to the older content. Again, it should be noted that all of the older content will be maintained, and a lot of the stuff that you can learn there will be able to be mirrored over to the newer versions of Blender. We are also keeping the older content in for those who prefer to use Blender version 2.78 or 2.79, as there are a lot of people out there who actually prefer the older versions of Blender. So let's move on to the next video.